Hi Stephanie, this is Carol Walling. I just wanted to make a short video to talk with you because I feel like the written word can be taken out of context sometimes. So I wanted to revisit both the HR document and the PGP document that you and I created together. Looking at your HR document, I have you exceeding expectations in planning and preparation. I think you're doing a great job there. I have you exceeding expectations in professional expertise. I think you're doing a phenomenal job there as well. I have you at meeting expectations in learning and environment, and I also have you as meeting expectations in facilitation. I think you're doing a good job in these two areas, but there are some areas where we could have continuing improvement goals, and I think that's where we have those two goals that are actually carried over from your professional growth plan with Joanna back in 2014. So the big thing that Joanna and I both identified was that there were some instances where we did not see individualized feedback to students. And really, the policy at Baker College has changed with our transition from quarters to semesters. The policy in the faculty handbook now states that we, as faculty members, have to engage with individual students at the beginning, middle, and end of each week. I know you want a specific goal or a specific number, and we don't really require that anymore. But if you want to think about a number that you have to hit, count how many students that you have in your course, and then that's how many individual messages you should have per week beyond the initial prompts that you put up. So let's say, you have your wonderful discussion prompts that you put up and there's 5 of them. Then you need if you have 13 students, then you need to have at least 13 extra posts that week. I don't know if that helps or not, but that's kind of how I gauge mine. And the handbook says beginning, middle, and end of each week. Well, that would just mean that you don't post all 13 posts on one day, that you check in on the discussion throughout the week, maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, or something like that. I hope that clears that up. I think you're doing a great job. Please don't be discouraged in any way. The second goal that we had talked about was to provide students with formative feedback. That also comes from the professional growth plan that you and Joanna had decided upon back in 2015. Let's see. Nope. 2014. And this was to, increase or provide feedback to students in the grade center or in the discussion area that is individualized. And you and I had talked about, what kind of strategies you could do, and I think that you're doing a really great job there. And, providing specific examples to students and guidance on how to improve on specific or future assignments. And I want you to know that I think you're doing a great job. And I would be more than willing to talk with you, and maybe you can explain to me what you're doing, and maybe we can rectify these goals and say that they're completed. So let me know what would be a good time for you, and if you want to meet with me, I would be more than happy to do that. I will be out of the office through July 30th, and then I will be at a conference August 3rd through the 7th. So anytime after August 7th would be good for me. Just let me know, okay? I hope you and Brian are doing well, and I will talk to you soon.